entertainment zone. Let's explore why the Philippines proudly boasts the slogan, "More fun in the Philippines." Buckle up for a ride filled with laughter and insatiable joy. 1. Breathtaking beaches. Imagine a beach so beautiful it makes you forget about that deadline at work. You know it's paradise when you reach for your phone to take a picture, only to realize you have no signal, and that's okay. Just be careful not to confuse the gorgeous sunset with your regular lamp at home, though they both have a way of brightening your day. And if you accidentally step on a crab while walking, just apologize and move on. He's probably just grumpy he didn't get a beach day too. 2. Warm and friendly people. Filipinos will welcome you with open arms and a smile, even if you just mistakenly ordered chicken feet. You can ask for directions, and by the time you're done, you might have made a new best friend or adopted a stray dog. Don't be surprised if their hospitality leads you to an impromptu family dinner where you're suddenly the guest of honor. Just remember to compliment their cooking, especially if you have a spicy dish. If you're lucky, they'll even give you a nickname like the Hungry Tourist, and you'll earn a forever spot in their family album. 3. Incredible food. From adobo to lechon, your taste buds will do a happy dance. Just be prepared. Once you try a local dish, your taste buds might start sending you emails asking for seconds. And if you accidentally drop food on your shirt, don't worry. That's just a badge of honor saying you fully enjoyed every bite. Just try to avoid a food coma. Napping in public might lead to spontaneous karaoke performances by your family. 4. Unique festivals. Celebrate Sinulog, or Ati-Atihan, and experience vibrant parades and colorful costumes. You know it's a party when everyone's dancing, and the only requirement for fun is to simply show up and try not to trip over your own feet. If you do trip, just roll with it. After all, the floor is just an enthusiastic dance partner waiting for your next move. And if someone hands you a costume, just remember, wearing it doesn't come with a return policy for embarrassment. 5. Amazing outdoor activities. Snorkeling in El Nido is a slice of heaven, where even fish seem to be having a 5-star time. Just don't forget, if the fish start taking selfies with you, it might be time to swim back to shore. And if you start to feel like Aquaman, just remember, those fish might not be too impressed by your swimming skills. Moreover, don't be surprised if you realize that your best snorkeling buddy is a really friendly sea turtle who just wants to show you around. We're excited to share the launch of our brand new YouTube channel, Wisp of Visual. Save the date for April 4th, 2025, because you won't want to miss this. Join us for an incredible journey filled with creativity, inspiration, and stunning visuals. Six, rich cultural heritage. Explore the historical streets of Vigan, where you can feel the history with every cobblestone you trip over. They say history is boring, but in Vigan it comes with air conditioning, at least in your imagination. Just watch your step. Those cobblestones have probably witnessed more drama than a telenovela. And if you're feeling adventurous, try reenacting a scene from a historical movie, complete with an exaggerated accent. Seven, thrilling adventures. Experience the excitement of island hopping in Palawan, where you can expertly dodge waves and jellyfish. Life is truly an adventure once you've paddled like a madman while maintaining your balance on a kayak loaded with snacks. You earn extra points if you succeed in keeping your snacks dry because nothing shouts victory like enjoying chips while navigating through waves. And if a splash fight breaks out, remember that the true champion is the ocean, witnessing the full display of your frantic paddle skills. Stunning natural wonders. The chocolate hills are so bizarre and beautiful, they must have been made by giants with a sweet tooth. When you see them, you might wonder if Willy Wonka had a secret chocolate stash that melted into hills. Just be careful. If you start imagining chocolate rain, you might need to check if it's really just the weather acting up. If you come across a hardened chocolate bar, give it a check. Might be your chance to cash in on a giant's leftovers. 9. Eclectic nightlife. Whether it's a karaoke bar or a lively club, the options are sure to leave you with unforgettable memories or a hangover. Karaoke might just be the only sport where you can succeed by hitting all the wrong notes. Just keep in mind, everyone is a rock star after a few drinks. And if you happen to wreck a classic song, don't fret. There's always the opportunity to create your own remix. Plus, if your singing is bad enough, you might just receive a round of applause for bravery and score a free drink. Affordable fun. Perfect for budget travelers who want more bang for their buck, where street food is gourmet and your wallet is safe. In the Philippines, you can feast like a king without having to sell your old Game Boy. Just make sure to save some pesos for dessert. And you know you found the best street food when you see a line of locals waiting, a sure sign that it's worth risking delicious food coma. If your wallet does get lighter, just joke that you're on a minimalist diet. It's all the rage, right? So, there you have it. With beaches, food, festivals, and friendly faces, it's no wonder there's more fun in the Philippines. Grab your bags and dive into the adventure. Remember, in the Philippines, the only thing more abundant than fun is probably the number of t-shirts with "It's more fun" printed on them. And if you think you've had enough fun, just know that the next adventure is just around the corner, unless you're already enjoying a spontaneous karaoke competition. Any questions? Or should we just get back to planning our next trip? I promise to answer all your questions unless it's about how to avoid getting picked for karaoke. Just remember, the only wrong question is the one that requires you to sing your way out of an awkward silence.
Give me that.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.